Okay, start tayo ha.
Ito, Leonardo. Ito yung side ng Makati.
Ano ko sa akong pato?
Yan yung Makati circuit tayo.
Makati na yan.
Ayun yung port. Sa barko, ayun yung maraming So, kaya isa
This is Makati. And this part is still Mandaluyong.
kasi makita mo.
City Hall. Wow. Look at the view. Rockwell there. Wow, nice view. Wow. Mandaluyong area. Actually, where that's the Guadalupe Bridge and EDSA. And then we're going to the other side of the building. Wow. This is spectacular views I've ever seen. Wow. The Rockwell.